Hey there, we're back here with Oleg at Paradigm. Today we're going to be talking about the parts that make up a driver. So I'm going to start grabbing the different parts that make up a driver, and Oleg is going to walk us through what they all are.
So this is T-yoke and a permanent magnet that goes on top. This is top plate. Now you have magnet system in your hand. This is the basket or frame. This is the voice coil with the spider. And this is the cone with surround. And to finish it off, there's a dust cap.
So let's start taking this all apart, and you can walk us through what all of these different parts do.
So the cone moves the air. That's what creates sound waves. And surround, which is flexible, allows the cone to move back and forward. So this is the voice coil. Voice coil is placed inside the magnetic field of the magnet system. When the electrical signal goes through it, it moves, and it makes the cone move with it. And the spider is flexible. It allows the coil to move back and forth as well.
Okay.
Well, basket holds cone and spider and voice coil together.
Okay. And is this also how it assembles onto the speaker?
These parts are actually attached to the loudspeaker enclosure.
Okay.
Well, the top plate directs magnetic field into the voice coil gap. That's where the magnetic field is the strongest, and that's where voice coil is. Permanent magnet, as the name suggests, creates permanent magnetic field. And the T-yoke is part of a magnetic circuit. It sort of allows the magnetic flux circulate within the magnetic structure.
Thank you so much, Oleg.
You're welcome.
So in the next video, we're going to learn about why you need a different driver, a mid-range, a tweeter, and a woofer to produce the different frequencies.